Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove accessibility shortcuts button in control center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, go to included controls and find the accessibility shortcuts. And as you will see, there's a negative sign located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap the negative sign. Then click remove. And that's it. Your accessibility shortcut is now removed on the included controls. And if you want to check it, just drag down or swipe down the right side of your screen. And as you can see, the accessibility shortcuts button is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed accessibility shortcuts button in control center using iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.